Hello students, in today's session of electric potential capacitance, further concepts will be cleared using illustrations from JEE Main. In earlier session we have discussed these topics in detail which you can review on Sethi. In addition to this, I will also request go through all these concept clearing videos which are very useful and helpful for boards exams, entrance exams. These particular for NEET exams and JEE Main, etc. which you can also review on Sethi. Now, let's start with the questions. Question is, two charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by a distance of 30 centimeter. This is charge Q1, this is charge Q2. Place at position A and B, separation is 30 centimeter. A third charge initially at rest. This is the third charge, Q3. As shown in the figure, is moved along the circle path of radius 40 centimeter from C to D. This is the initial position of charge. This is the final position of charge. If the difference in potential energy due to movement of Q3 from C to D is given by 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q3 into K, you have to fill in the blank or you have to find the value of K. Value of K, four options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Now, you have to find the potential energy due to movement of Q3 from C to D. The potential energy will be equal to potential difference into charge moved from C to D. That is V final minus V initial position is the final position into Q3. This comes out to be V final VD minus VC. VD minus VC. VC. VD will be equal to potential at VD, VD A plus VDB minus VCA plus VCD into Q3. We know V at a point is given by 1/4 pi epsilon Q upon R. It is a scalar quantity, can be added algebraically, right? So this is potential at point D due to charge A, potential at D due to charge B. 1/4 pi epsilon naught taken common. This will come out to be VDA. A is Q1. This will come out to be 40 centimeter. It is the 40 centimeter, right? Q1 upon 40 centimeter, 0.4 plus Q2 upon, by Pythagoras theorem, VD. This will come out to be 10 centimeter. This will come out to be 10 centimeter. This dBd dV 0.1 minus 1/4 pi epsilon naught VCA. VCA 40 and this 30. This will come out to be VD A 40, VDB 10, 40 minus 39, ठीक है, and due to VCA plus VCB, VCA plus VCB, this comes out to be VCA plus VCB. VCA will be 40 and VD will be this comes out to be Q1 upon 0.4 minus plus Q2 upon 0.5, right, into Q3. So 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught taken common. On simplification, this one goes. Remaining is Q2 भी common ले लिया हमने, and this comes out to be 1 over 0.1 minus 1 over 0.5. On simplification, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 0.5. This is 10 minus 2 Q2. That is Q3 तो चल ही रहा साथ साथ. So 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 8 Q2 into Q3. So this is K. Therefore, value of K is 8Q2, 8Q2. The correct option is D is the correct answer, right? Answer of this question can be given by making the calculation in mind. It can be given hardly in 10 seconds. But I have given the complete calculation and complete methodology to find its answer, right? Next question. Question is, for a short dipole placed at origin, the dipole moment P is along x-axis. This is x-axis. As shown in the figure, if the electric potential and electric field at A are V naught and E naught, we have to find the correct combination of electric field potential and VB upon VB. Electric potential, we have to find this VB and EB relation, right? Now, you know, if this is the dipole, short dipole, minus Q plus Q, this is point A, this is point B, this is midpoint, this is point P here, PXL, and if we get this is P equal. ये डिस्टेंस भी R ले लेते हैं, इसको भी जल्दी हम R लेते हैं और ये डिस्टेंस 12 लेते हैं, right? E at any point is given by 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P upon P into 3 cos square theta plus 1 upon R, and V at any point is given by 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta upon R square. Now, case 1. Case 1. In this case will be V naught will be put किया theta equal to 0, so V naught comes out to be 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon P upon R square. This is equal to V naught. And 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, this comes out to be put किया तो 2P upon R cube. This is V naught. If you put theta equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, 4 square root is 2, 2P upon R cube. We have to find at this point. Cos 90, 0. So VB will be 0 and PB will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Put here 90 degree 0 P upon distances here are 2r whole cube 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P upon 8r cube. So this comes out to be 2 से multiplied here 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube into 1 by 16. This comes out to be E naught by 16. So correct combination is V naught is 0 and EV is this one. Correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. Right? Now addition formation में आप मैं बता दूं E axial is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube and E equatorial अगर vectors लें equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught minus p upon r cube. This is the relation. Magnitude wise, this is double of that, right? Next question. Question is, a parallel plate capacity is filled equally half with two dielectric constant K1 and K2 as shown in the figure. The distance between the plates is D and area of each plate is A. If the capacity in the first configuration, second configuration is C1 and C2. In this case, it is C1. In this case, it is C2. Dielectric constant K1, dielectric constant K2, dielectric constant K1, dielectric constant K2. Right? We have to find the ratio of C1 and C2. Concept. Answer this also in within 10 seconds, but I will make the complete calculation here also. When dielectric slabs are introduced of equal distance, equidistance, when dielectric slabs are inserted of equidistance between capacitor plates, that is D is distributed and area is same. Combination is series and K equivalent is harmonic one of K1, K2 and this one. Harmonic mean is N over harmonic mean equal to 1 over K1 plus 1 over K2 plus 1 over K, right? In this case, 2 are there. 2 over harmonic mean K equivalent will be equal to 1 over K1 plus 1 over K2 equal to K1 plus K2 divided by K1 K2. Therefore, K equivalent will be equal to twice K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. In the case 1, right? In case 1, then case 1, C equivalent will be equal to K equivalent into C naught. K equivalent is twice K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 to epsilon naught A over T. This is equal to C1. Similarly, when D remains same and area is distributed, distributed. Combination is parallel and K equivalent. K equivalent is arithmetic thing. That is A1 plus A2 plus K1 plus K2 plus Kn divided by N. In this case, K equivalent will be equal to K1 plus K2 divided by 2. Therefore, C2 will be equal to K equivalent into C naught. K1 plus K2 divided by 2 into C naught. This is equation 2. Right? On division, 1 divided by 2, we get C1 over C2 equal to twice K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2 C0 divided by K1 plus K2 divided by 2 C0. This is goes. On simplification, this comes out to be 4 K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2 whole square. So fill in the blanks will be here. 4 K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2 whole square. This is the answer. This harmonic mean, arithmetic mean or concept when equally. Concept is when equally is divided. Equally word is very important. Equally distances are divided or equally area is divided. Equally distances or area. Then these formulas are applicable. Right? Next question. Question is, using a battery 100 picofarad capsule charged to 60 volt, and then the battery is removed. After that, second charge capsule is connected to the first capsule in parallel. If the final voltage across the second capsule is 20 volt, then its capacitance is in picofarad. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Concept applicable in this case is in parallel combination. V is same and Q is distributed. Q is distributed. One term is common potential. Common potential. V equal to Q1 plus Q2 divided by C1 plus C2. That is C1 V1 plus Q2 divided by C1 plus C2. As they are connected in parallel, the common potential will be 20 volt. 20 equal to 100 into 60 plus 0 divided by 100 plus C2. 300 plus C2 comes out to 300, C2 comes out to 200 picofarad. Answer is C option is correct option, right? Now, I will request if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive update on concept killing video. Thank you.